Hello, I'm Stan Joseph from Bruder Healthcare. Today, I'd like to talk to you about the Eyeleve Contact Lens Compress, the first and only compress designed specifically for the contact lens wearer and clinically proven to increase comfortable contact lens wear time. Bruder technology underwent extensive clinical study at the University of Alabama at Birmingham School of Optometry, where researchers found that people who used Bruder's patented technology had significantly improved meibomian gland scores and experienced steeper decline in their overall eye discomfort assessment scores, ultimately increasing comfortable wear time of their contact lenses by up to 3 hours a day. Here's why that's important. A recent study published in Contact Lens and Anterior Eye found that end-of-day discomfort is the primary reason for contact lens dropout, and it continues to cost the optical industry hundreds of millions of dollars per year. It's important to address contact lens discomfort early, as it has been shown that patients who dropped out, 47% did so during the first 2 months of wear. And here's where the rubber really meets the road. For 71% of these dropouts, no alternative lens or management options were provided. The fact is, the majority of practices are losing contact lens patients as fast as they're gaining them. Not anymore. Now, by offering new and current patients an Eyeleve Contact Lens Compress along with their lenses, patients who might otherwise have dropped out of lenses forever are now satisfied. And they should be. By extending comfortable wear time, they can now finish their work, read a book, or enjoy an evening out. The possibilities are endless. And not just for your patients, but for your practice as well. Bruder manufactures and sells the #1 doctor-recommended moist heat eye compress for the treatment of dry eye. But the company recognized that contact lens wearers' needs, habits, and preferences are different than the dry eye patient. Consider this. There are 50 million people in the country right now who have some degree of dry eye, but only 1.5 million are under the care of a doctor. Now, on the other hand, there are 40 million contact lens wearers, and they are all under the care of a doctor who they see every year, if for no other reason than to renew their lens prescription. Furthermore, 80% of these patients suffer from some degree of dry eye. These patients can be helped by using Eyeleve, made specifically for contact lens wearers. But how did we do that? And why did we have to make something different when the original Bruder mask is already so exceptional? Here's why. Yes, the Bruder mask is the #1 doctor-recommended moist heat eye compress, but it is marketed and sold to a different demographic, nearly 80% of whom are over the age of 55 and have more significant ocular surface disease issues. Conversely, 87% of contact lens wearers are between 25 and 54 years of age, and they tend to think about their eyes differently. They don't think disease, they think discomfort. To truly understand how the Eyeleve Contact Lens Compress works and why it was developed, it's important to understand more generally how compresses work and what makes one mask different from another. Warm compresses are proven to aid in the treatment of meibomian gland dysfunction, or MGD, chronic dry eye disease, blepharitis, and overall ocular surface health. However, not all compresses are created equal. A key differentiator is the type and quality of heat. It must be delivered at the right temperature and for the right length of time to be effective. It should also be moist heat, because moist heat provides deeper tissue penetration at lower temperatures and provides greater relief. Bruder has incorporated its patented technologies to accomplish this. Most ordinary compresses rely on silica gel beads or gel or grains. However, Bruder compresses offer patented MediBeads, which provides the clean, uniform, extended moist heat required to effectively liquefy the oil in the meibomian glands and release the eye's natural hydration. MediBead's unique honeycomb molecular structure encourages complete absorption of water molecules and, when microwaved, release moist heat in a controlled and consistent manner for 8 to 12 minutes. Additionally, MediBead's molecules are infused with silver ions. And because of silver's antibacterial properties, the moisture coming out of the mask is bacteria-free. The Eyeleve Contact Lens Compress goes a step further by adding an extra layer of protection, ionic fabric. This material has silver thread woven into the fabric itself, thereby mitigating the risk of introducing infection. This is particularly important in contact lens wearers, since they're 3 times more likely to get an infection than non-wearers. The compress is ergonomically designed for superior fit and comfort. It features a unique, contoured comfort stitch that alleviates pressure on the eyes. Eyeleve compresses are washable and reusable, and with good care, they'll last up to a year. They can withstand the rigors of daily use and regular washing, and unlike the components of other compresses, patented MediBeads will not break down. Eyeleve packaging and literature have been designed to appeal to the contact lens wearer demographic. The compress also comes with a reusable storage bag. It's conveniently sold in a 10-case self-feeding display, perfect for use in a contact lens dispensary. Cases of 20 compresses can also be ordered. Finally, it's important to emphasize that Eyeleve is more than simply a retail product. It's part of a proactive treatment protocol that mitigates the risk of infection and increases comfortable wear time, thereby increasing patient satisfaction and delaying the time to drop out. In short, the Eyeleve Contact Lens Compress is an effective treatment that patients use at home and between visits to their eye doctor. It is also very easily incorporated into a patient's daily routine. Just 20 seconds in the microwave and 8 to 10 minutes on your eyes provide quick relief and proven comfort. Eyeleve is perfect for the new contact lens wearer and for those who are already maybe experiencing discomfort. It is a welcome addition to the Bruder family of ophthalmic products. For more information about the Eyeleve Contact Lens Compress and other comfort and hygiene solutions for contact lens wearers, visit eyeleve.com. And thanks for watching. Bruder, better by design.